I understand English when someone speaking, but I cannot speak English fluently in front of the people. I am very excited of this video and I hope you have the same excitement of taking 21 days speaking challenge with me, which makes you more confident and more elegant to speaking in front of the people. So let's any further delay, let's jump into this video. This is MOHSIN and I hope you guys are doing very well today and I am very excited of this video. So now in this video I am sharing a problem which I faced last 2 years, and then I am sharing my daily activities like gym when I woke up and when I get back to the sleep and prayer study etc etc. So now let's jump into the problem which I faced last 2 years. I understand English, but I cannot speak English fluently. That's why I'm taking the 21 days challenge, which makes me confident and more fluent English, and that gives me the encouragement of making the video and upload in front you guys from my YouTube channel and Facebook page, which name is Hustle with Mohsin. So please do subscribe, which makes me more motivated to making this video and upload from this video. And I hope you will be very helped of this video because it also gives you motivated and you will take the 21 days challenge with me, and comment below to you also take the 21 days challenge with me. So now the problem is, when I was talking to the people, I just feel nervous, and that's why my teacher gives me a challenge to taking. When I was talking, I just make the video. That's why I can detect my faults and what do I do in wrong situation, and I detect what should I do improve. So that's why I'm taking the 21 days challenge, which also includes gym, prayers, my study hours, reducing the screen time, and or at least a deep sleep 6 to 8 hours, and the proper diet. You already see the my health was not so stable. That's why I am taking these types of challenges. So please, this challenge will make me, I know inshallah this challenge makes me more confidence, and you can also join me this challenge. So please do subscribe and follow my Facebook page and YouTube channel, and please do like, share and comment, because it gives me more motivated to taking the challenge and prove myself. Now let's jump into my daily activities which I do today. I planning to woke up at 5 a.m., but I cannot. I already late 15 minutes today. My niece Fatia Sultana Anisa, which who just woke up me and call me to go to her madrasa, and I am go to her madrasa with her by auto rickshaw. Then I am planning to walking back, because I am taking the challenge to already 10,000 steps per day, but I can't fix it. I go to the gym, I do some exercise, but I cannot take the 1,000 steps per day. So that's why I am walking back to my room. After that I came back my room, I do my fajr salah, and already I cannot wake up the proper time of fajr. That's why I am taking my fajr salah at 6 am. After that taking fajr salah, I reciting quran one at least 1 hour with bangla meanings, which gives me more confident and more beliefs and more faith of allah. And the islam is the only one religion which 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 gives Allah from us to repairing ourselves, to refresh ourselves, and go to Jannah following Islam. So I am praying, and I am reciting Quran, and it gives me, my mind was so fresh. And oh, the last 3 or 2 days I am very confident because of I am taking the proper uh, message of Quran. Now afterwards I take 50 grams of chickpeas. I do gym every day, that's why I need some energy. And chickpeas has good fiber, good protein, and good fat that gives me more energy to my weight loss journey. And it gives some energy when I was go to the gym. After that I sit in front of my laptop, and I just want to put some programs. I am a CC student, and I have to do programming very well, but I can't focus at the programming. I'm trying. I'm also planning I should do a 100 days challenge of coding. That's I can share my coding at least 1 hour every day, and I could share my coding journey with the Facebook page and challenge, which you should do also. I'm just planning. I think it should be executed me to take 2 or 3 days time. Afterwards definitely I will take this challenge also. And after that, when it was 10 and or 10:30 a.m., I take my first breakfast, uh, which includes eggs, and some meat, chicken meats, and etc. After that you will have to go to my niece madrasa to provide his breakfast, and I just go to his madrasa by walking, and come back by walking, and already just burn I think 50 to 100 calories, which is very good for my weight loss journey. So then I come back home, and I learn from YouTube videos how to speak English and how to consistent in weight loss journey. And when I was come back home, I do a podcast of Ayman Sadiq, which was the founder of 10 Minute School of Bangladesh, and it's the biggest platform of Bangladesh right now. And he shares his business strategy, how he started his business, and how he managed his time, and how his life philosophy, and how he spent his daily life with strategies. So it gives me more enrichment of both of my mind and my daily life usages. Afterwards I taking my shower. Sorry, afterwards I do some exercise, freehand exercise like jumping, and after the jumping, push-ups, like handwords skilling, and so on. I cannot remind what types of exercise I do, but I do some exercise, it actually right. So afterwards I taking my oju, and it's time to pair my johor salah, and I go to the mosque, and praying my johor salah. Afterwards I came back my room and take 2 or 3 piece nuts, which have also the lots of proteins, minerals, and calcium, and it makes me more and it makes me more energetic. And after that I take my laptop, and I want to do code, but I go to the YouTube, and I just scrolling some videos. After that I have some weakness, then I just laid on my bed, and I do 30 minutes of nap. After that, after I'm woke up, and I really enjoy the freshness, because I do the snap. You know, the snap makes you more fresh and confident. And I do my uju and go for asor sala to the mosque, and after that I go to my room, and I go to uh, Joydupur railway station, which has the some traditional foods, and I do protein included food, and then I walking back to my gym, and after go to my gym, I take my Maghrib Salah, and then I spend 1.5 hours of gym, and I just spend 1 hour 4 hour of gym, and it makes me more damaged muscle damaged, and after that I go to my niece madrasa, and I took him to the room, and then I take my shower, and after that I take my uh, Isha's Sala, and I take one piece of eggs and one bananas for the dinner, and that's ended my journey. And then and then it's 11 a.m., and I laid my bed with my phones, and I'm scrolling, and scrolling YouTube and Facebook, and then I sleep away, and that's ended the journey. And if you struggle like me, and if you want to take 21 days challenge like me, please do subscribe and follow for the one. And if you Jodi, if you see the full video, and please subscribe and comment, please. It gives me more motivated. Thank you everyone for seeing this video. Assalamu alaikum. Stay connected and stay focused and stay motivated.